Well, today's adventure is going to be iguana hunting in the Everglades, and we're here at Markham Park in Broward County, getting ready to do a half-day iguana shoot with a guide.
So basically bolt action, bring it back and lock it, that resets the trigger, and then bring it back and forward and lock it. Here's your fire, here's your safety.
Safety's back, right?
Forward's fire, safety's back.
Okay.
And then we got this one, is basically the same. This comes all the way back. All the way back, you gotta make sure you hit that spring stop. They don't eject around, so if there's one in there already, and you can literally shove the whole magazine in the tube and it won't fire though.
Okay.
It'll just jam up. So they're quite powerful.
It'll get the job done.
Hit the deck.
That one hit the deck.
I'll give you one more shot, then I'm going to take it.
Oh shit, hit the deck again.
He turned his head.
He turned his head, yeah, but I
thought it hit him in the head.
Yeah, but I think it just whizzed right by him. He moved.
Yeah, if you
Here, grab hold.
here.
Yeah. That's a good shot.
The hair low, a little
Something
higher.
a little higher.
Yeah. Looks like it hit the top edge of the bottom plank. There's a hit.
I got him right here, right?
Yeah.
And then you got him right here.
Go in this way because the sun's in your face. Hold him out like a fish. There you go. All right, David, the dinosaur hunter.
I guess it's fair. I mean, he got the kill shot.
You got the kill shot.
That was necessary to get him in the boat. That wasn't necessary for the hunt.
All right, we're back from a half day of iguana hunting and shooting. Kind of disappointing. It's not that we didn't really get to do the hunting. It's the boat that we're in. The engine blew out 5 minutes down this main canal, and then we wound up using the trolling motor to get to the hunting grounds. It took almost an hour to use the trolling motor to get there. And then, you know, we hunted along the canal banks and in Tamarack and in Sunrise, and we got towed back by this boat here, and I do have some video of the tow back. Took an hour and a half, almost an hour and a half, to be towed back here. Disappointing, and we'll see if I get a discount. Normally I never ask for any discount if the fishing sucks or something, but a mechanical breakdown or something to that effect, I think that we should work something out. But let's see. I'm going to talk with the mate right now, with the guide. So speaking with the guide off camera, they did the right thing. They knocked off a considerable amount off of the charter because of the fuck up with the boat engine, so I'm pretty happy with that. Plus I gave the guide the full amount of the tip. I would never screw over anybody like that.